Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we've branded ourselves and we're thinking big like influencers, we know the tips and tricks of staying on top of our games as influencers. We know the 5 main streams of income from content creators. How do we, influencers and content creators, approach brands to work with us? I'm saying we and us because for a long time I've depended on waiting on brands to approach me, but could it work? It didn't work for me. Like, even though I understand the steps towards working with brands and collaborating with brands, I've helped clients also connect them to brands, and I've helped brands connect to influencers and content creators. I've been slacking on approaching brands, and to this year is all about shooting your shot and taking it by force. How do we approach brands? What is the right way to approach these brands, and what are the mistakes to avoid? There are 4 major ways influencers can approach brands. I'm going to list the 4 out, and then I'll follow up with steps to follow after shooting your shot. Number 1 way you can approach brands is by going to networking events, by attending conferences, seminars, by just trying to get in touch with people around, or where you know that these brands have actually put together an event for something. Connect with them, go there, find out who is who in the company, get in touch with them, tell them who you are, introduce yourself, be confident, be authentic, be real, be yourself, and tell them what you can do for their company as well. The next way you can approach brands is by working with an ad agency. An ad agency basically helps you approach brands while you sit down at home and get paid, and they get their own cuts. The third way influencers can approach brands, and the reason why we are here today, is by shooting your shots directly, reaching out to these brands and shooting your shot, telling them what you can bring to them and telling them what you're bringing to the table. So yeah, you approach brands with an amount and what you can deliver. You can approach brands by visiting their websites, go to their contact pages and send them an inquiries email. You can also go to LinkedIn and search for these brands, check for their marketing directors, and also contact them right there. Tweet at these brands, Instagram them, follow them, DM them, talk about them, share. I'm sure you have to be passionate about a brand before you might want to actually work with them. So try to stay in contact and communicate with these brands. And also you can get their emails also from social media. Everyone is putting their contact right now on their business pages on social media. So if you want to work with a brand, you can get their emails and send them get their contact and send them an email. The pitch email is your time to shine, but be careful not to overblow your own horn. First, start by introducing yourself, your name, what you do, your vlog or your blog, a little bit description about your blog, your accomplishments, your statistics in terms of what your demographics and your subscribers reports also says about you as well. Then attach your media kits to your the email as well, to say if they want more information about you, they can go see your media kits. Guys, if you don't have a media kit, you better go and start preparing the media kits. Like I've talked about this at the beginning of the ESO series on how to build your personal brand. A media kit is quite important for every influencer or content creator to have. If you don't have one, go get one. Attach your media kits. Then the third step is, or your second paragraph. In your second paragraph, start by talking about why you love them or why you love the brand, what you love about the brand, the type of products that they produce, and the type of products in specific that you're very interested in. And then you talk about how, maybe if you've talked about the brand in the past, share a link of what you've said about the brand as well, and talk about what you would want to do with them. And then the fourth way to work with brands is by letting them reach out to you. Like, guys, it did not work for me, so I won't advise you to sit down and wait for them to reach out to you. So unless you've already built a large following, or you have you're popping, seriously popping, then you can sit back and wait for brands to reach out to you. But if not, it is a year to shoot your shot. So shoot your shot with your girlfriend, shoot your shot with your boyfriend, shoot your shot with your business and your brand as well. So after sending the pitch email, it is time to follow up. Be friendly, be real, be authentic, be polite. If a brand decides not to work with you, reply them back and tell them thank you for their time. If a brand decides to do work with you, still be friendly and tell them how you look forward to working with them. If they reply you and the response is good, at every instance, make sure that you are polite and you're nice and you're being very friendly. Next, if a brand has decided to work with you, negotiate your terms and conditions clearly. In short, bring a lawyer, get a lawyer to help you out to reach through the agreement, and everyone has stated exactly how this idea is going to go, the time frame, the number of content, what is expected, and how much, when reports is expected or your analytical report is expected. So make sure that you sign an agreement. Guys, I was a victim in December last year. I'm so ashamed to say, but I go back end of December. as soon as before I arrived, someone gave me a job. I'm not going to call the brand name, because if I call the brand name, we're going to enter news. I'm not going to call the brand name. So, but like I totally forgot about signing an agreement. Like normally I will, but because I just got back, I was excited. The work was just right there. I was sure. I think I was overwhelmed or jet lagged. It did not click on me. Guess what, guys? I have not gotten paid till today. They've stopped picking my calls. I'm sure I'm not the only one this has happened to. So be careful. Make sure you sign an agreement. If there was an agreement, and then I would have something to say. But now I don't have an agreement. All I have is just an email and phone calls that she made, or someone from the agency made to me. So be careful and sign an agreement, and sign up to an agency that you can trust. The deal is done, we've finished, the content has been delivered. It is time for you to send back a detailed report. If people think it's not important, it's quite important for you to send back to brands a detailed report of what you have been, or what was achieved in this partnership that you guys got involved with. This can help you know the lessons that you've learned. It can help you build better relationship with the brand. It can help you build better relationship with the agency. It can also help you know the mistakes to avoid for next time, or for your next partnerships and collaborations and deals that you have as well. So a detailed report will give you lessons. So make sure that you have a detailed report. The report should include an overview of the program, like everything that happened, analytical reports, like maybe a screenshot of your YouTube analytical performance page, or your blog performance page, or your social media, if you're a social media influencer, or your social media, a screenshot of, social media has statistics reports now as well, so a screenshot of that as attach and send to the brand. So guys, it's important to know that reaching out to brands is not just about scoring you opportunities and freebies, it's also about building relationships. Make sure that the brands that you're contacting are the brands that you love, and expect nothing in return. But I hope these few steps will help us, start finding ways to approach brands. You know what, guys? Let's actually give ourselves assignments and start writing a pitch. I've started already, so start writing a pitch and how you want your pitch on the brands that you want to approach. Let's start that. If you're with me, send me a DM. I could also share my list with you. If you have any other question or suggestion about approaching brands, please feel free to share with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press thumbs up below and like this video, share with your friends, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time. Don't forget to rise, pray, grind, and shine. Till next time, see you guys.